Hello everybody and welcome back to Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson, and once again I have a plant unboxing video for you. So let me just show you what I got this time. Now the first one I'm going to start with is actually a plant that I got in another plant unboxing video, but because it's so small I didn't realise what it was until now, because I was waiting for a plant and I wondered where it was. Now I thought I got this little thing as an extra gift, but I didn't. I paid for it, and I paid a good amount of money for it as well. So this plant I'm talking about here that I misplaced but already had is the Philodendron Burle Marx Albo Variegata. And it's so young that you can't see it really, but I'm going to bring it in closer for you to try and have a closer look. That's the little plant. Very tiny leaves. And on this one leaf here, you can see there's some variegation going on. So this is the Philodendron Burle Marx Albo Variegata. And well, I really can't wait for this little plant to grow up because it gets these really nice big long leaves and they're kind of yellow and green variegations. So it's beautiful. It looks very healthy. It has a little leaf there. It has another little tiny leaf coming up and it has these three big leaves. So I'm really, really pleased with it. And I'm glad that I found it. And I'm glad that I figured out what it is. I mean, when it's like this, it isn't hard to think it's something else. I mean, I just thought it was some kind of Philodendron hederaceum, but with a little bit of a thinner leaf. So I'm glad I found this plant amongst all the others. So let's get on to the other plants, I don't know yet, unboxing. So we'll just get straight into this. Don't want to waste no time. One side, the other side, and then down the middle. And then I'm ready to open this box and see what we've got going on. Now, paper. Be careful. You never know what's hiding in the paper. I think this is just one plant. It is. And I can feel the thicker end is down there. So I'm going to gently take it up. And we'll see what we got going on in here. So, oh, I can see already what it is. It's beautiful. Oh, when I saw this plant online, I just had to get me an example because I thought it was really nice. It had these very different shaped leaves with these small leaves at the bottom on either side and the longer, thinner one. So it kind of looks like a sword. Absolutely beautiful little plant. This is a really nice specimen. Plenty of growth on it. And it's going to do really well, I'm sure. This is a beautiful Philodendron fenzlii Schott variety anisotomum. And I'm just going to bring it in to give you a closer look at this beautiful, beautiful plant. So look at the leaves on that. Aren't they beautiful? That one there, this leaf here, and all the smaller leaves coming out here. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? There's a lot going on with this plant. And all of those leaves that are coming out at the bottom, look at those. You can see they have a completely different shape when they're younger. They're just the long, thin leaves. And then as they mature, they become more like this. So exciting. I love that. I'm really happy about that little plant. So I can't wait to get that potted up. It's in some sphagnum moss at the moment, or some, yeah, it is. But it's got a lot of good growth going on. So I'm going to take this and get it washed off very well, and then get it potted up so it can continue its growth because it's an absolutely beautiful plant. And I most definitely will probably want this trailing up high. So I'm probably going to be staking this later so it grows up like all my other vining plants. I don't just want them hanging down in a little pot. I want them to vine upwards. That will be absolutely beautiful. So in this unboxing video, I got this beautiful little Philodendron Burle Marx Albo Variegata and this beautiful Philodendron fenzlii Schott variety anisotomum. So once again, two beautiful plants I got me. I'm so happy. Thank you to the people that were making cuttings and gave me the opportunity to get some examples of them. And Now I can share them with others out there so you can go out and find yourself some. So that's really, really nice. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you know when my next video upload will be. And I will see you in another video very, very soon. Goodbye.